everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have an unboxing. It's a bag. You here for the unboxing? Y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button right here. You need to click on my button. Yep, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, you all, we're gonna jump straight into this here unboxing. Y'all, let me just say I like to talk here on this channel, but y'all, your girl got herself a, are you ready? Do you see that? Do you freaking see that? Ooh, thumbnail. Got herself a Louis Vuitton bag, y'all. Yup. Bag I was able to grab at Lenox Mall. Story. I was looking for this bag. I called the 1-800 number, told her what bag I was looking for. I was able to look it up. Found it at my local Louis Vuitton store, the one inside of Lenox Mall, not the one inside of Saks. Told me where it was available. I was like, okay, let me see what I can do, because you know you can't call straight to the Louis Vuitton stores. Like when you call the Louis Vuitton at Lenox, it's going to direct you to the 1-800 number. I don't know if I told y'all, but I had an essay reach out to me about a bum bag. Now, how she got my number, I don't know, because when I went into the store, I thought it was the guy that I was dealing with before, like back when I was purchasing the my Montessori backpack. She got my number, you all. I never asked to be put on a waiting list or anything like that, but anyway, it's me about the bum bag, and at the time I wasn't ready to purchase, so I declined. I had her number saved. Well, I didn't have it saved, but she was still in my messages. Like, you know what, let me text her and ask if she has the bag, because I didn't want to take a ride all the way to Lenox Mall to get there and the bag is not there, because I spoke to on the phone was like they can't hold it. Like, okay, I didn't want to take that ride, so I was like, let me reach out if it was a woman or a male. Like I said, I actually thought it was a guy. Ended up being a woman. So I was like, hey, do you have this particular bag? She was like, yeah, we have one left. Really? I was like, can you hold it for me? She was like, yeah. When can you get here? There by 3:30, and I so happened to be off that day. I ran, it was like 1 something, so I ran and got dressed. I was like, I told my, matter of fact, it was Martin Luther King. That's what, I was off on January the 17th. Jemai, let's go. Plus I knew school was out and the traffic wouldn't be as bad. Plus, anyway, I was like, yeah, can I come at 3:30? I have to stand in line, because y'all know going to Louis Vuitton, you have to stand in line. She was like, no, as soon as you get here, just text me. Like, won't he do it? I was like, it was meant for me to get this bag. When I tell you, she is the freaking bomb. I'm gonna leave all her information down below, y'all. If y'all ever in the Atlanta area, please go check her out. She made moves so quick, so fast. Like, I didn't have to wait in line. Like, when I got there, it was a line, and I felt so special, because that was the first time I ever had like so-called VIP treatment. Make appointments, because I don't really go to Lenox Mall, to Louis Vuitton like that, because I normally purchase online. This bag so bad. Tell you, she made it happen for me. I felt so special. So like I said, when I got there, I texted her and I was like, hey, I'm outside. So I checked in with the Louis Vuitton lady, and she was like, is she expecting you? I was like, yeah. So I think I stood outside less than 5 minutes, y'all. She brought me right in. She had the bag in her hand. She was like, look, do you want to check it out first? I was like, yeah, I want to see it. I okayed the purchase. I told her, can you wrap it really nice, because I have a YouTube channel, you know. And so when I tell you, she made some moves for me, like, oh my goodness. Like, it is so important to have an essay, you all, because I'm telling you, if I didn't have an essay, for one, I would have took a chance riding all the way down to Lenox Mall, and the bag could have been sold. And since I, text her and told her I was coming today, she was able to hold it. I don't know why the lady on the phone couldn't call Lenox Mall and say, hey, someone wants to come get that bag, can you hold it? I don't know why. I don't care. I ended up meeting a fabulous essay. Like I said, I don't even know how she got my number to even tell me about the bum bag. But with that being said, you all, this is how I was able to get my hard to find, sold out item. Like right now, if you go onto the Louis Vuitton website, you all, this bag is sold out. Bum bag. Because y'all know how I feel about my bum bag. I'm still looking to purchase a bum bag, but I'm just waiting patiently because, like I said before, I'm not sure if I want to special order it. As of yet, I did ask about the bum bag. She said they don't have any, and she didn't have none in stock for me to even try it on. You know, I don't want to special order it until I can see it in person, just to make sure, because I was told that once you special order an item, is no return. So I was like, I can wait. Like I said, until that day I can get my bum bag. This is what I wanted. A beautiful package. And she was like, the day I came, they ended up having their new ribbon. Because when I unboxed my other Louis Vuitton, they had the red ribbon, I think. It's switched over to blue. So here is the cute tissue paper. I didn't even know Louis Vuitton had tissue paper. Yeah, I could not wait until I was off today to film this video because I want to start using this bag. I was like, you know, y'all know how I do my unboxings. I like to do my unboxings before I wear the item. Well, I'm off today, so I'm like, okay, I gotta do this here unboxing so I can go ahead and play with her, y'all. Tell you, she wrapped this so pretty. You see the box? I don't even think y'all gonna be able to guess this one, y'all. Snuck up on y'all because I don't even think I mentioned this in my wish list. Like, I have like a wish list on the Louis Vuitton website, and I keep things in there, so like throughout the day, night, whatever, I'll just check it to see what pops up and it's available. One of the items came available, but it was like a small leather good. Need it, but I just threw it in my I just threw it on my wish list just in case I change my mind. Here is her information. When I tell you, if you live in the Atlanta area, please check her out and let her know Miss Tamika sent you. Text her. You can even send her a text before you go, because if you like me and you don't want to wait in line, I highly recommend reaching out to her. I'm telling you, she is the bomb.com. My receipts. Okay, I haven't purchased in store. It's been so long, and it felt kind of nice going into the store to purchase because I was able to see like a lot of their bags and small leather goods in person. So here's the tissue paper. Ever change their dust bags? I think, you know what, Gucci did change their dust bags. So Louis Vuitton, come on now. You can see this is the Odeon. I think that's how you pronounce it, PM. Yo, when I tell you I was so happy to get this particular bag, I was just like, yes, like, oh my goodness. Yo, let me just tell you, this bag is so freaking adorable. It is so cute. And if you didn't know, this bag do come in the MM size. I didn't want to get the MM size only because I told y'all I like smaller bags, and I just didn't want to have to go through what I went through with the Delightful when I purchased that in the MM. Like, looking back, I wish I would have purchased that in the PM size, but at the time I was into big bags. Ended up getting the MM size, and y'all, let me just tell you, this thing holds a lot. Like, it holds a lot. You have your 2 Louis Vuitton gold zippers. Top, you do have a black hole, which is completely dark and black. The one good thing about this bag, the reason why I didn't get the monogram, because I didn't want have to worry about the vachetta with the leather changing and spots and stains like this, snow, sun, whatever, and don't have to worry about anything. Been following me here on this channel, y'all know my situations with different luxury bags. I wanted a carefree bag. Like, I didn't want to have to worry about anything. I have a back pocket which has item number in case you want to try and purchase it. And if you can't purchase it online, like I said, reach out to the 1-800 number, give them your zip code, and they can locate the bag for you all. The Atlanta area, we only have one location, which is down at the Lenox Mall. Now, if you live in different parts of the world, you may have other locations, but no, we have two. We have the one in Saks, and then we also have the standalone. Like I said, you have your back pocket, and then you have your inside. Then here in the front, you also have a front pocket, which I adore so much because, y'all, let me just tell you, my iPhone 12 Pro Max fits perfectly in here, and I will show y'all that in a minute. It comes with a luggage tag that has LV on the front. I actually like the luggage tag because it just gives it that extraness. I'm not sure the correct way to do this. Let me see. Okay, for some reason this don't feel like it's right, but I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it as is for the sake of the video. A little better because I didn't want this here little pull tab to cover the LV, so I'll have it all together. This is just a unboxing of this particular item so I can start playing with her. And mention you do get a strap. I don't know, maybe it's meant for you to switch out the straps. I'm not sure what other strap will go with this, so let me know down below. I'm not looking to purchase a Louis Vuitton strap because y'all know they are really expensive. To me, I'd rather purchase another small leather good before I purchase another strap. But if you know of any on like Amazon, look into something like that, but not, I know I'm not buying a Louis Vuitton strap. Here are the here's the gold hardware. You do have Louis Vuitton on both of the little twists, I guess because it's a crossbody for it to form to your body. You do have holes in the strap, which means it's adjustable. Good thing, because you know sometimes you get straps that you can't do nothing with. Go ahead and add the strap on. And y'all, when I tell you this bag looks so freaking cute on me, like, oh my goodness. So y'all, this here is my work bag, if y'all didn't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little bit of stuff just to put in here. Just, like I said, I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And like I said, it fits perfectly in the front pocket. And this is where that phone will stay. I will never put it, not never, but it will never go in the inside pocket. Only because I like to have my phone at all times. In videos, I like taking pictures. So I like having this here front pocket. I have my Louis Vuitton wallet, which I will put in here, and I'm not sure what wallet I would carry with this particular bag. I don't think I would carry both, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to just put in what I have, carrying two different Louis Vuitton wallets. So I'm going to put that in the inside of this. I have my AirPods. And with this hair bag, I do not have to take my AirPods out of its case because, as you can see, it's a real bulky case. I have everything in this hair bag, so I'm gonna just use, like I said, what's in here. Lotion, so I'm gonna throw that in the inside of this hair bag. That's everything for now that's in my work bag. Everything else is in my Louis Vuitton graceful. When I do part 2, I will really care what I will carry in this particular bag. Have the zippers in the middle, or you can have it going to one side. Not sure which way, but you know, I just wanted to let you know. Stand up and show you how it looks on my body. Well, like, it lays nice and flat. It just looks so nice on my body. In the corners, you do have the leather, the dark leather. Was to sit this bag down, I do not have to worry about this bag getting dirty because, as you can see, it is that dark print feet. But again, I don't sit my bags like on the ground or anything, so I'm not worried about that. And if I didn't mention, this strap is nice and thick, so if I was to carry a little more in here, I'm sure this strap can handle that. Well, this bag is super cute. Like, do you see that? Like, yes, this bag is everything. Bag the bigger size, because I'm sure it would be a lot bigger, and this to me is the perfect size for my body frame. I thought that the PM was a perfect size, like a perfect everyday size for me. Happy and blessed all at the same time, you all. I love this bag so much. Like, I cannot wait to put my essentials in here and really start carrying her. The essay at the Atlanta store. Now I can text her to make appointments to come in to get my luggage tags hot stamp, because I'm thinking of getting this hot stamp probably just with my initials on the back, and then also on my delightful luggage tag. I just wanted to share this really quick unboxing because I'm ready to use her. I am finally able to unbox this here baby, y'all. A little what is this? It has like this little thing here where it keeps the strap intact, which I appreciate because I do not like my leather straps just hanging like that would just bother me. The fact that you can tuck your leather inside of here and it would keep it together, and plus it makes the bag look nice and just stay put together, in my opinion. I said, you all, if y'all have this bag, let me know down below how y'all love the bag. Let me know the size, and also let me know if you love the bag just as much as I love it so far. I had struggled with YSL. This is why I came back to home, which is Gucci and Louis Vuitton. Nothing against YSL, because I am looking to maybe one day purchase a bag from YSL, because it's out of all the bags I unboxed, it's only one that I will repurchase. Bags, and I hate that the prices done went up, because I think the price on this done went up like $200, but I was okay with that because I didn't know the before price. So it's like, if I didn't know it, it's like whatever. So I don't know resale value. Louis Vuitton holds its resale value, so if for whatever reason I need the money, you know, I can always resell these items. But again, I'm not looking to resell because I am in love with my new baby. Like, welcome her to the collection. So with that being said, make sure you are subscribed so you can so you don't miss part 2 of this particular bag review, because in part 2 I will show you more about, I will share more about this bag, the unboxing, and a small review, just so y'all can see if it's something you will want to purchase. So y'all do take my recommendations into consideration, and I appreciate that, y'all, because you know y'all like what I like, and I love that here on my channel, y'all. When I tell you I love having y'all here to share this with, because it just means so much to me that I can get on here and share what I love with you all, and y'all get me. And said, you all, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.